In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now click on clock icon at the top on the left and create your alarm by choosing this plus icon at the bottom. Over here you can click on delete after it goes off if you wish to, or select repeat and tap on one of those options. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can choose days of the week manually and save them by selecting OK. After that, set up an hour, and when you're ready, click on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable vibrations. You can also click on label below it and type in whatever you wish to, like work. Save your label by choosing OK in the pop-up. Now click on ringtone. Pick one of those options like weather adaptive and go back, or click on all ringtones and select choose local ringtone or pre-installed one. If you wish to add music from your smartphone, click on local ringtone, choose allow in the pop-up and pick one of those sources, like music. Then select allow again. Click on the song that you wish to apply and save it by choosing OK at the top right corner. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back. Click on pre-installed ringtones instead and select apply next to the best one, in my case, Breeze. To save your changes, click on OK in the pop-up and then select the back button. When you're ready, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. Then pick the best option for you. You can switch it back on the same way. If you want to edit it, click on it, select additional settings and make your changes. You can discard them by tapping on the top left corner or save them by clicking on the check mark at the top right one. In order to get rid of your alarm though, you need to hold it and click on delete at the bottom. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, hit settings, and manage all of them however you wish to, like ringtone, volume. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!